Hey guys, MJ and Izzy from Endless RVing, and today we're coming to you with a new feature on our channel which is called Tuesday's Tips. So on Tuesdays we're going to be bringing you these short but informative videos on all things RVing.
Yeah, so our first video we'll be bringing to you, please forgive us. We had a little bit of a mic issue, not really an issue, but mic placement. So you're gonna hear MJ's jacket like it's just scratching like a DJ. So without further ado, we're gonna bring you our first Tuesday's Tips.
Enjoy.
Enjoy. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to want to check the manufacture date of our tire. This is really important, especially if you're buying a used RV. These tires, they will age out before they wear out, okay? So after 2000, Department of Transportation is requiring all tires to have a 3 or 4 digit code, which is going to tell you the date of manufacture. And we're going to show you that on our tire, okay? We have a Michelin tire, and we have a 4-digit code. If you can see this, it says 2918, okay? 2918. What does that stand for? Well, 29 stands for the week, the 29th week that tire was manufactured. 18 stands for the year. So this tire was manufactured on the 29th week of the year 2018. Now, this is a 2019 motorhome, so you're going to ask yourself, well, how does that happen? Well, companies, Ford specifically, who makes the chassis, buys these things in bulk, and they may sit in a warehouse for a long time. So understand that that's pretty important. Usually for the motorhomes, 5 to 7 years is what you're going to get before you should be replacing the tires. And like I said, it's not going to be by wear, it's going to be by age. So check your tire and check the dates on the tire. All right, guys, so the second thing you want to check on your tires is going to be the tread. And like I said earlier, these tires, they are going to age out before they wear out. But what you do want to check, you want to check for even wear, okay? So, example, we have our motorhome here, about 7,600 miles on it. You can see there's still really deep tread here. That's good. But what you want to look is that if there's uneven wearing. We're pretty good here, but if you start seeing a lot of wearing on the outside or on the inside, you know there could be an issue with your alignment or something going on with your suspension, and you're going to want to have that checked out by the professionals, all right? So number 2, check the wear on your tread. Number 3, guys, what you want to check the sidewalls for any damage. Specifically, you want to check, you're not going to see them on here because these tires are in good condition, but you're going to want to be checking for cracks, tears, bumps, anything bubbling, anything that looks out of the ordinary. If it doesn't look right, it's probably not, and it's not worth the risk driving on them. Take them to a certified tire professional and have them looked at. Number 3, check your sidewalls.
Number 4, we got this little gadget here. This is a tire gauge. Company's Tire Minder. We'll have the link in the description for this. So you definitely want to check your tire pressure, guys, before you head out on the road. When you're leaving to go to a campground, if you're leaving the campground to come back home, whatever, it's a really good idea to check that pressure to make sure that you have the accurate PSI so you avoid blowouts and things like that. So Tire Minder is real easy to use. I'm going to set it up for PSI. Come right in here. And there you see your PSI, okay? Right now it's at 103. We don't at this point have a tire pressure monitoring system, but we are going to be getting one, which will real time allow you to see what's going on with the tire pressure. So if you get a flat or something, or if things are dropping low, you'll be able to see that as you're driving. So that's a really good investment, and we're going to be investing in that very soon. So number 4, tire pressure, Tire Minder. Number 5, tire covers. If you are in a warm climate or you have sun just beating on your tires consistently, this is really important, or any other elements. You want to make sure that these tires are covered. If they're not covered, it's going to accelerate the breakdown of your sidewall. So you want to make sure that these are protected at all times. UV rays, I mean, any of the elements, protect them. So all you're going to do, the description for these will be right in or the link will be in the description. Simply, okay, that's not perfect, but you get the idea. Anytime you get to a campground, in our driveway, you know, when it's warmer in the winter, they are covered. So we want to make these last as much as possible. So this is a really, really great way to make sure you do that. So number 5, tire covers.
Guys, so those are our 5 things to keep your tires in good shape and keep you on the road safely. So we thank you guys for joining us. If you enjoyed the video, we invite you, hit the subscribe button below, give us a thumbs up, and also share the video. Also, everything we showed here will be linked on our Amazon affiliate link. If you wish to purchase it, we ask you if you use the link. For myself and MJ, we thank you guys for joining us, and we'll see you on the road.